Welcome to Auto Pulse Media, your destination for the latest in automotive excellence. Today we bring you an in-depth look at the 2026 Ferrari Roma V8, a car that continues Ferrari's tradition of combining performance, elegance, and innovation into one captivating package. Designed to embody La Nuova Dolce Vita, the Roma is more than just a sports car, it is a statement of refined power and sleek design. The 2026 version brings forward subtle yet impactful upgrades that push this grand touring coupe to new heights. At the heart of the Roma is a 3.9-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine that delivers an impressive 620 horsepower. This powertrain is mated to an 8-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, delivering lightning-fast shifts and a driving experience that feels both aggressive and buttery smooth. With a top speed of over 199 miles per hour and the ability to go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.3 seconds, the 2026 Roma does not disappoint when it comes to raw performance. The exhaust note has been fine-tuned for a more resonant and satisfying growl, reminding drivers and onlookers alike that they are in the presence of true Italian engineering. The exterior of the Roma remains faithful to its elegant and minimalistic styling, but for 2026, Ferrari has made subtle aerodynamic enhancements. The front grille is sleeker, and the active rear spoiler has been fine-tuned for better downforce at high speeds without compromising its clean design. The LED matrix headlights now come with a more advanced lighting system that adapts to road conditions, increasing safety and visibility during nighttime driving. Its flowing lines, long hood, and curvaceous body make the Roma one of the most visually appealing cars in the Ferrari lineup. Inside the cabin, the Roma continues to offer a futuristic yet luxurious environment. Ferrari has enhanced the human-machine interface, offering more intuitive touch-sensitive controls and a reworked digital display setup. A new software update gives better responsiveness and easier access to navigation, media, and vehicle settings. The passenger display is still present, allowing co-drivers to stay engaged with performance data and infotainment controls. Upholstery options have been expanded, and the leather quality has been elevated, giving the interior a more opulent feel without overcomplicating its layout. In terms of driving dynamics, the Roma uses Ferrari's latest vehicle dynamic systems. Features like side slip control and Ferrari Dynamic Enhancer provide an edge during spirited driving, giving the driver more confidence behind the wheel. Adaptive dampers ensure the car remains composed over rough surfaces, while the precise steering and weight distribution make cornering feel almost effortless. Whether you are driving along a scenic coastal highway or on a race track, the Roma adapts to deliver a personalized performance experience. New to the 2026 model are enhanced driver assistance features. While Ferrari remains committed to maintaining the pure driving feel, additions such as adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and lane departure warning offer peace of mind for longer drives. These systems are subtle and well integrated so as not to distract from the experience of being in control of a high-performance machine. Tech enthusiasts will appreciate the upgraded infotainment system, which now includes wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as standard. The audio system has also seen improvements, offering crisper sound and better cabin acoustics for those who appreciate music as much as engine tones. Ambient lighting options have been updated to create a more immersive night driving experience, further elevating the Roma's premium feel. The 2026 Ferrari Roma V8 is a blend of tradition and innovation, offering breathtaking performance, state-of-the-art technology, and a timeless design that turns heads wherever it goes. It is not just a car, it is an expression of style, performance, and passion that few brands can replicate. For those who want a Ferrari that is both thrilling and elegant, the Roma continues to be a perfect choice. Thank you for watching this detailed overview of the 2026 Ferrari Roma V8. If you enjoyed this video and want more content on the world's most exciting vehicles, make sure to hit the subscribe button and stay connected with Auto Pulse Media.